I was rear-ended while stopped at a red light. The impact was enough that my car was totaled and the person who hit me was deemed 100% at fault. I had to seek medical care for the neck and back pain, and the claims adjuster told me I would be receiving an injury settlement, which to this day I still have not gotten an offer. I signed all of the medical release paperwork, and he told me in April of 2025 that it would take about 60 days for review and for me to receive an offer. The last time I received a response from him was in January of this year. He has only ever taken one of my calls, and on the call told me that I wouldn't need a lawyer because it wouldn't change my offer. That's a lot of information there. You got any advice?
The insurance company spend billions of dollars telling us we're in good hands. You know, they're the neighbor next door, and we would like to think that they're going to treat us fairly. But look at this. This adjuster works for the insurance company. This adjuster gets paid by the insurance company. If he settles this claim cheaper, guess what? The insurance company, his boss, looks good. The insurance company's profits go up. And so his incentive is to settle these claims for as low as possible. That's the reality of the situation.
Insurance is risk management, and so they're valuing the risk of each potential claim. And the people who are not represented are going to get lowballed, no response to their demands, be drug out, and get pennies that are left over because they're going to pay out the claims to the attorneys.
When an individual is representing themselves, there's really no risk of the insurance company. There's no risk of going to court. There's no risk of a jury giving a big verdict. And so they are going to lowball that claim.
And that's what we do. You know, we take cases to trial, and insurance companies know that. So we can walk into this conversation as attorneys and say, if you don't pay us within X amount number of days, we're filing a lawsuit and you can see us in court. And that scares insurance companies. A lot of times they pay, and if they don't pay, guess what? We'll see them in the courtroom.
Exactly. And that's the risk you were talking about.